Alright, for this video, I'm going to show you how to do subtracting with regrouping. This used to be called borrowing, but we no longer call it borrowing because when you borrow something, you usually give it back. But when we subtract in subtraction, we typically do not give it back once we've taken it away. So, one common problem that students might come across will look something like this, where you have all these zeros on top and you have to subtract. So we always start in the ones place and we work our way this way. So if I have 0 items and I need to take 2 away, can I do that? Well, if I have nothing, then I can't take anything away from it. So I'm going to have to go next door and see if my 10s have anything that I can take away from them. And they don't. So my 10s was no luck. Now I have to go to my hundreds neighbor and see if they have anything that I can take away from them. And they don't. They have nothing there. So now I'm going to have to make the trip all the way to my thousands friend and see if they have anything. And I see they have 1,000 items that I can take away or use for myself. So I'm going to take that 1,000 away, and now they have nothing. Now, usually the students will want to go all the way back to the ones place without checking with their neighbors first, but since you went to their neighbors, you have to go to them again. So you can't just do that. You've got to go from your thousands now to my hundreds. So I had 1,000 here. If I turn my thousands into hundreds, then I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. So how many hundreds do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of my hundreds. So instead of writing it out like this, I'm just going to take this 10 and I'm going to bring it up here. So now I've got 10. I've got 10 hundreds because it's in my hundreds column. So I've got 10 hundreds, which means I actually have 1,000. But we're just going to keep it 10 for now. Now I'm going to have to see, I can't subtract yet. I still don't have enough. So I have to go and regroup again. And now I'm going to have to regroup from here, and I'm going to make my 10 now into a 9, because I'm going to take one 10 away, and I'm going to bring a 10 over here. Alright, so now I've got 10. I've got 9 hundreds and 10 tens, but I still have 0 ones. So now I'm going to have to go to my 10s again and see, hey, can I regroup from you? Can I take away from you so that way I have enough to give to my 2? So I'm going to take 1 away, and now there's only 9. 9 tens. So with that 9, the one I just took away, I'm going to bring over here, and now I have 1 10. Because I took 1 10 away, and now I've got 10 tens over here. Alright, so now I'm going to subtract. Let me get rid of this so that way it's less confusing. Alright, so now I've regrouped by going from my ones. My tens didn't have anything, my hundreds didn't have anything, but my thousands did. So I took it away. Then I gave it to my hundreds. Then I took it away. Then I gave it to my tens, but I took it away. And I gave it to my ones, and now I have 10 ones. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 2, I can count up from 2 to 10. So I go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 8. Then I have 9 minus 8, and I know if I have 8 and I just add 1 more, I would get 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9, well, I just took 9 away from itself, so now I have 0. But I'm not going to put 0 there. I'm just going to leave it at 18. Alright, now I can check my work, which I always want the students to do. So I would do 18, and I would add it to 982, and I should get 1,000. So I have 18, I'm going to add it to this number, and I should get this number. So let's see, 8, 9, 10, regroup, 8, 9, 10, regroup, 9, 10, and there we go, we have 1,000. So it's very important for students to know this is not 10, this is actually 10 hundreds because I'm in my hundreds column. This is actually 10 because we're in my tens place, but I have to take 1 10 away, and if I had 10 tens and I take 1 away, now I have 9 tens. Alright, I know this can be very confusing, so if you have any questions, please let me know. You're always welcome to stop by my classroom or call the office and see if I'm available and I can help you out with this. Alright, thank you very much.